Hi, this is a video on showing you the steps I did when I was applying for the incentive of Germany for the 6,000 euros. And yeah, this is all the things I did. So all the things you will need are your invoice from the car you bought. Could be any electric vehicle, by the way. Doesn't have to be necessarily a Tesla, but the Tesla is the one I'm doing. So the invoice, a scanner, a printer, a pen to sign the document, your papers, documentation of your car, and of course some patience, no? Because bureaucracy in Germany always takes some time and energy, and I don't really know how long this is going to take. So yeah, wish me luck. These are the steps I did in order to fill out the form. So let's go first to Safari. And I went to, there you go, the website is bafa.de. And as you can see, everything is in German, of course. Even if you go to English, there's not much information, and I didn't find the English way to do this. So this is what I did. I went to ENERGIE, then, ELEKTROMOBILITAT, and then you have to go again to Einzelantrag stellen, to actually start the form. And you get all this information, blah, 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 blah. And again, here where it says Further Portal, Antragsformular, one more time, and then again, lately, here, this is the link, here and blank. And now we are at the form where you can actually put all your information and start doing what you need to do. So, I'm a private person, I'm a man, and then you put all your information. Okay. This, of course, is going to be faster. I already did some of this, so I'm actually reenacting all my, all the things I did before. You have to put your email. Then you need to say no, that I'm not getting it was not from a leasing. It's about me. Yes, yes. And it's about I bought the car, and then now it's where you have to put the car you bought. So in my case, it's a Tesla Model 3 2021, and to actually check that, you have to go to the invoice you got from Tesla, and there where it says the description of your car, this is what you have to put in. So that's one. The date that you actually bought the car, so in my case, here it says 7/6/21, so June 7/21. This is if you want to put something as a reminder for yourself. It's a new car, yes, and then you have to put the date that you first registered, that was first registered, the new plates for your car. So in my case this is the date, and the VIN number, the identification number for your car, which you will find in this thing right there. You need this number plus this other number, something like this. This is what you need with all the information there. So copy that number and the next one as well, which is normally it's right after the first one. In this case, you have to put no, otherwise it won't be accepted, even though Teslas have this kind of awareness alerting system, but it's not specified in the manual or in the website, so you have to put no, and that's what I did. Let's see if I get it. Hopefully I get it. Then this is regarding that Tesla already discounted 3,000 euros from the selling price. So yes, this is the case. Oops. Okay. And you have to put your information here, and as well as your bank account. I understand. Yeah, oh, cool. Let's say yes, yes, yes to everything. I understand everything, and then we go next. So here is where you have to upload your invoice. So you have to search it in your computer or wherever you have it and upload it, and then you go this button, next. I'm not going to do it right now because I already did it. I don't want to ruin my first attempt. After you uploaded the invoice, you will have to go to your inbox and you should receive an email confirmation that looks like this, more or less. Yeah, then you can click on the link, and in this link you have to put your postal code, and then you will get this document. You have to print this document, sign it, scan it, and upload it again to a different link. While you're doing this printing, signing, and scanning, you will get a second email with a different address and a password in order to upload this scan to a different link. Once you sign your document on the first page, I scanned all of them. It's 6 in total, I think. Then you will receive an email that looks something like this with a PDF. Copy like this, copy. Go to this page, and then I chose where it says this one, further program ELEKTROMOBILITAT FEMS, starting 1st of September, and then you put again in this your password. It's not a password, but let's call it password. You put it right there, and then it says what kind of document you are going to upload. And then you upload the document that you already signed and scanned. Yeah? So once that's done, you send the application, and that's pretty much it. That's all I did. So hopefully the result comes in positive, and I do get the 6,000 euros for buying an electric vehicle. Yeah, so wish me luck. Let's find out in a couple of months if everything went okay. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.